it is time. We're gonna take the valve cover off. We're gonna take the cams out, clean those up, a little crusty, and we're gonna take off this fuel rail here, and then we're just gonna clean the head up. I've already kind of hit it a little bit with this, but we got some brake clean and some gloves. So we got the head here. It's nice and clean for the most part. There's a little bit of like grimy, crusty spots on it that realistically I don't think are going to be too big of a deal. I've still not done a single thing to the engine bay. I've just been really lazy and busy with other things and dealing with like the broken computer and our cars being broken and stuff like that. So I've just not really been working on it too much.
Whoa,
whoa! And he helped me finish cleaning it up a little bit. Now we're gonna fuck around with the surface of the bottom end here where we put the head on. So as you can see, it's not horribly bad, but it does need to be cleaned up a little bit. There's some gasket over here. We do need to take these guides off, get that chain swapped out over there, and get all the other chains and stuff on. Also, as you can see here, the bottom is looking crispy, nice and crispy. Shout out Eric. And yeah, let's just kind of jump into it.
Yes, head gasket. Can you set it?
Grab that eye maybe?
I'll grab one side. You gotta line your dowels up.
I'm stuck.
Before you set it down, don't set the head down until you're lined up with the dowels. It's okay. Just lift it up. Just lift it up real quick. We gotta go down evenly.
Alright, you're on. Yeah, it does line up pretty well. So it's quick.
It clicks. Why is it not fucking clicking on this one? Dude.
kind of scared.
Alright, it was already at 44 pounds. Definitely it's not accurate down low. Yeah, okay. That's the only thing. Okay. Alright, and then 3 right there.
Okay, now.
Alright, now we gotta do a 90. Just leave it on whatever. Yep. Yep. Yep, that's it. That's a quarter turn.
Okay, and
Then you do the next one.
Oh, and then we do
You
a
gotta
45.
fucking keep doing them, yeah. Then you do another 90. Yep. Yep. Okay, that's good. The fun has started.
That one is still not happy.
Boom. Okay. Now turn the bolts an additional 90 degrees.
Additional 90.
I'm not even fucking with you. Step 5, turn the bolts an additional 90 degrees.
That's it?
Yeah. That's what the manual says, dude. I don't fucking know. I would call that good. That's fucking tight. Remember, we won an extra 10 foot-pounds on that second pass, so.
Shut the fuck up.
Yep.
Fucking
2 more.
This is dude shit, dude.
This is some dude shit.
This is some fucking dude man shit, bro.
some dude man shit.
Dude man.
Yeah.
Where the fuck is the goddamn entry to this fucking goddamn bolt? It doesn't want to get fucking cranked.
Doesn't want to get
Doesn't
cranked.
want to get cranked another 90, dude. It's like I'm in Fortnite cranking fucking 90s, dude. I'm gonna be fucking pro at Fortnite, dude. Crank the 90. Oh my god, dude. I cranked that 90 so quick, dude. The kids be boxed in. Oh shit, dude. Yeah, bro. The head is on. It's fucking crazy, dude. Like, what the fuck? Who would even have thought, dude? Not me. 2-3 with a 2-5 head, dude. Oh shit, dude. 2-5 with a 2-3 head. I mean, oh, we said that backwards. Huh. Gnarly. Wow, this is the most complete this engine's looked in a minute.
Yeah.
Shit.
Like the all-new 2004 Mazda 6.
This is 10 minutes long. There's no way.
This is fucking 10 minutes long.
It's the whole life span of the car.
Oh.
I didn't realize that.
You can pop the oil pan on and still do the timing stuff. No, you don't need to worry about the oil pan anymore.
I want to check that delete shit out.
Yeah. Yeah, I would look into that before you put the pan on.
Boom. All right, there she is. She's all done. Thank you to Eric for the help. And yeah, one thing I forgot to do was gap the piston rings. You're supposed to gap them a little bit during this build. I didn't realize that because it wasn't in the written plan that I had. One of the videos I was watching the other day mentioned it though, so they also mentioned using the 2.5 cams, so maybe we'll just use the cams from the 2.5. I'm not exactly positive. I have to do a little bit more research around the cam thing, but the piston gapping kind of makes sense. Hopefully we don't have an issue because the head's already on and I'm not taking it back off, and I'm not taking the crankshaft and all that out to get the pistons out, and it just doesn't make sense. So we're not doing it. The next bet is to clean this all up. I'm ordering a few of the gaskets, and yeah, we got to finish building it up together. And yeah, I'll see you all in the next one. Thank you for watching. Like, share, comment, subscribe. Peace.